Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy USC in MetaMask, updated. Open MetaMask and confirm you are on the right network, then check your ETH balance for gas. Add USC token using the correct contract address and always verify that address before proceeding. Use a trusted DEX or swap feature in MetaMask, set slippage appropriately, and confirm the transaction. Stay patient while the network processes your swap. To add USC, open MetaMask, choose Add Token, and paste the official USC contract address into the custom token field. Double-check the token symbol and decimals to avoid scams. Once MetaMask recognizes USC, click Add Token and review your token list to confirm visibility. If you do not see the balance, ensure the transaction completed on the Network Explorer and refresh MetaMask. Always prioritize safety when importing tokens. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker delivers clear sound, voice control for music and timers, and fits neatly in any setup to boost your trading ambience. It pairs well with a clean desk and helps you stay focused during swaps. Check the video description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose MetaMask Swap or a trusted DEX to trade ETH for USC, enter the amount, and inspect the quoted rate. Adjust slippage based on token volatility and expected price movement, and check gas fees to avoid surprises. Confirm the swap and monitor the pending transaction in MetaMask. After confirmation, verify USC appears in your wallet and record the transaction hash for future reference. Always keep your seed phrase private.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.